Hello ladies and gentlemen, it's the Wonder Kid here. I hope you're all having a fantastic day. A warm welcome as always to this video. Guys, in today's video, I'm basically going to be announcing to you guys that I will be taking another 100K FTMO challenge, but this time I will be recording it and actually showing you guys week by week exactly what happens. I'm happy to show you guys my client area, to also show you guys my MT5, of course, the screenshots and things like this. I'll figure that out as we go along, but like I say, again, I will take you on the journey of me trying to attempt to land another FTMO 100K account. So guys, feel free to tune in. I will actually be posting, well, the aim is at the current this current standpoint that I will be posting an episode every Friday at the end of the week, just so that I can cover what's happened in the week. But again, guys, I can show you guys exactly all the trades I'm in, if all the trades fit my plan, if they didn't, why they didn't. But one of the things is I won't explain why I got into these. Of course, this is something that I actually teach and explain price action in my own community. But again, like I say, I will show you the trades. I'm happy to show you the trades I'm in, show you the proof, and you guys can see and join me on this journey to actually landing another FTMO 100K account. So guys, for now, I hope you enjoy. Check out an updated video coming out every Friday, a new episode of this kind of like nice little mini series taking you guys along the journey, and you guys can use it as entertainment, education, or motivation, or whatever you like. But again, I'm happy to document it for you guys. But for now, I hope you have a great trading week, and I'll speak to you guys soon. Peace.